Hello everyone, so I'm just going to show you a really mini haul from Sephora. You get to pick two little samples, and I got the perfume Irresistible from Givenchy, or I don't know how you say it, but it smells nice. I don't wear perfume a lot, so these small tiny samples are all I really need. And then I got this Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare from It Cosmetics. I was just nothing else really. I just picked it randomly because nothing else was really interested in me. But anyways, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Pat McGrath Labs, and it's Mini Matte Trance Color Blitz Trio, and looks like try and not get any of these sequins on the floor so my cats don't mess with them. I think the sequins are unnecessary. But, oh, and there's a little Bagheera there under. I knew there was going to be sequins in here. I should have opened this earlier and just unpacked it and showed y'all. But anyway, okay. Now, got that out. What do they look like? Just little minis. And this one is Full Panic. Just gonna turn off. No. Yeah, hopefully that's better. This one is Obsessed. This has the weird film on it, from Abadab's channel when she got them. Believe it's just normal though. Someone said in the comments, a few people said, not sure, but I don't think it's anything to really worry about. Hopefully, still going to use it. And then the next one is Elson, and it's what it looks like. Next, I got the Charlotte's Iconic Mini Lip Wardrobe, because I wanted to try something from Charlotte Tilbury, and I wanted to try something from Pat McGrath, so I got these mini lipsticks. Packaging feels really nice. It's metal, I think. This one is Very Victoria. Then there is Walk of No Shame. The main reason why I got this trio was for this color for me, and then to gift the other 2 colors. And then the last one is Pillow Talk, of course. And okay, well, it's broken, and sorry about that loud noise I made. I'm gonna have to email them. I wouldn't really care all that much if this wasn't supposed to be a gift for someone, because otherwise I'd just use it way down and not have it all the way sticking up, and it'd be fine. But yeah. And then I also got this Hum Beauty Starts From Within Deluxe 3-Day Sample. Flatter Me, supports a flatter stomach and healthy digestion, and 6 capsules. Probably not going to use this. And then the last thing that I bought is from Too Faced. I know a lot of people like the Melted Matte formula, and I wanted to try them. And I like these colors, except for one, which I'll probably just give away. And they usually smell really good too, so I got the little Christmas set. I forgot how much all of these cost, but anyways. The colors are Hot Toddy, Candy Cane, Sugar Cookie, and Caramel Apple. This one is Caramel Apple. These smell so good. Then there's Sugar Cookie, which is the one that I am probably going to be giving away because it's just not a color that I really use. Then there's Candy Cane. I really want to sniff the Sugar Cookie one though, but I won't open it. It smells like a candy cane. And then this one is Hot Toddy. Looks like this. Smells good too. So that's all I have for you guys today with my mini Sephora haul. So I got the 3 mini Pat McGrath lipsticks, then the 3 mini Tigger, and the 3 mini Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. The one is broken, so I need to contact Sephora about that, and then the 4 Too Faced Melted Matte lipsticks. So I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.